Kids Learning Play.
Today we are going to learn about animal classification. What do animals eat? Animals eat many different types of food. There are 4 groups of animals according to what they eat. They are herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, and scavengers. Let's have a look at what they eat. What do herbivores eat? Herbivores only eat plants. They will not eat any type of meat. Here are some herbivores: rabbit, giraffe, zebra, and koala. Fun fact: different herbivores eat different plants. So let's see what these animals eat. Rabbits mostly eat hay, grass, and leafy greens such as cabbage. Note, lettuce isn't good for rabbits. They also eat fresh vegetables as a treat. Giraffes eat leaves, seeds, fruits, and buds from mimosa and acacia trees. Giraffes can surprisingly last for weeks without drinking a thing, because a lot of moisture comes from the juices from the vegetables they eat. Zebras eat a lot of grass. They sometimes eat twigs, shrubs, and herbs. So if grass is running low in the place they live, they will eat these fruits. Koalas eat eucalyptus leaves, also known as gum leaves. Sometimes they will eat leaves from other Australian trees. What do carnivores eat? Carnivores only eat meat from animals. They do not eat any plants. Here are some carnivores: orca, barn owl, lion, and penguin. Let's have a look at what they eat. Orcas, also known as killer whales, eat seabirds, octopuses, sharks, etc. Orcas have different ways to catch their prey. Barn owls mainly eat rodents, shrews, bats, and rabbits. Sometimes they will eat small birds. Lions eat giraffes, antelopes, hippos, etc. Lions don't run too fast and don't run for very long, so that means they have to ambush their prey or watch them until they have the chance to attack them. Penguins eat silverfish, krill, and squid. Penguins can dive 150 to 250 meters to find their prey. What do omnivores eat? Omnivores eat both plants and meat. Some omnivores eat more meat than plants, or the opposite. Here are some omnivores: box turtle, flamingo, hedgehog, and fox. Now let's see what they eat. Box turtles eat plants which have calcium and phosphorus. For example, papayas, green beans, raspberries, etc. The insects they eat are worms, snails, crickets, etc. Box turtles eat more plants than insects. The plants that flamingos eat are algae and seeds. The animals they eat are mollusks, insects, and crustaceans. Flamingos eat more animals than plants. The plants that hedgehogs eat are nuts, mint, fennel, and dill. The animals they eat are insects, baby rodents, baby birds, and bird eggs. They eat more animals than plants. The plants that foxes eat are berries, figs, cherries, etc. The animals they eat are birds, rodents, rabbits, etc. Foxes eat more animals than plants. What are scavengers? Scavengers are herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores which also eat decaying things. Here are two of the animals we have seen that are also scavengers: fox and hedgehog. Both of these animals eat carrion. Carrion is decaying meat. Here are some more scavengers: hyena and vulture. Hyenas eat the leftovers of other predators. They also eat wildebeests, antelopes, lizards, etc. Vultures eat carrion and any meat. Try to remember these animals, what type of animals they are, and two of the things they eat. Here are the answers. Today we learned about classification of animals based off of what they eat. Join us in our next video and learn new things with us.
Kids Learning Play.